Hey guys, so I am back with another makeup video. If you follow my blog, you'll see that I've recently reviewed the Tarte Be a Mermaid and Make Waves palette. This palette is amazing and I have been using it, I think, every day since I bought it over a month ago. Just because it's gorgeous. So this is the eyeshadows of the palette. They are all, they're shaped like mermaid scales, which I think is super cute, and they're really well pigmented, and they're just great. And it comes with this like a really good size, like sturdy mirror. So I'm going to create a look focusing on this palette, and this is going to be a summer night out makeup look. So I already put on foundation, and next I'm going to follow up with the Rimmel Match Perfection concealer. I got this in the lightest shade they have for brightening up under my eyes. And I'm just going to put it in like a triangle shape under my eyes. And then I'm also going to put some down my nose to help when it comes time to contouring. Put it there, on my chin, and on my forehead. To set my concealer, I'm going to use a bit of the Airspun powder and a cosmetic sponge, and I am just going to apply a bunch of that there. So I'm going to leave this on to set, and I am going to then move on to my eyes. I'm going to start with the lighter shade Splash, and I'm just going to apply that in the crease, and then I'm going to blend it down. And then with the same brush, I'm going to grab some of Bubbles, and I'm going to do the same thing. A flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to pack Lagoon onto the outer corner of my eye. I'm just going to pack it into the outer corner. And then I'm going to use that brush from before, and I'm just going to blend it together. I'm going to take a Luxie Precision Shader brush, and I'm just going to go back with Splash, and I'm going to go back through the crease and then on the lower lash line. Now with the Ciate London Wonder Wand eyeliner, I'm just going to line the waterline and then the upper lash line of my eyes. So now I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Brilliance and some glitter primer, and I'm going to do a glitter eyeliner. I'm just going to put a little bit of the primer on the back of my hand, but first I'm just going to line my eyes with the glitter primer. Then with the primer that's left on the brush, I'm going to dip it in the glue pot, and I'm just going to pat the glitter onto my lash line. For mascara, I am using the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I'm going to fill in my brows with the Tanya Burr Cosmetics Perfect Brows Kit. Because that's what I always use, what I like. Now with my powder brush, I'm going to wipe away the excessive powder. Yeah. But I have foundation on when I started with everything else. For blush, brown, red highlight, I'm using the Rimmel Sculpt, what is this? It's the Rimmel Kate Coral Glow palette. Since my eyes are so dark, I went with a softer lip color. This is the NYX Whipped Lip and Cheek color in Plush. This is the finished look. I love the Mermaid palette by Tarte, and not just because of the fact that it's mermaid themed, although that did play a bit in a deciding factor for me when I picked it up. So tell me in the comments what you think of this look. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see more. Thanks for watching. Bye!